Hello, my dear friends. It's your favorite Microsoft support agent calling you from a very real call center. Not a scam, I promise. Today, I'm here to solve your tech troubles faster than you can say, "Have you tried turning it off and on again?" Now, before we begin, I must humbly request you to smash that like button. It's not for me, it's for my boss who thinks I'm working extra hard right now. Alright, let's get started before my chai gets cold. Let's set the stage. Maybe you're upgrading a PC, installing Windows 11 on a fresh build, or trying to rescue a computer stuck in boot loop purgatory. Whatever the case, a Windows 11 installation USB will be a godsend. Here's why it's so useful. 1. Easy reinstallation. If your PC ever faces serious issues like a failed update or corrupted files, a Windows 11 USB allows you to reinstall the system without needing an already functional OS. 2. Fresh install. Perfect for building a new PC or starting fresh on an old one. It gives you a clutter free and optimized system. 3. Troubleshooting tool. The USB isn't just for installations, it also includes recovery tools for fixing boot errors, repairing your system, or restoring backups. 4. Offline installation. No internet access during setup? No problem. The USB contains everything you need to install Windows 11. 5. Flexibility across devices. If you're tech support for your friends or family, a single USB can handle multiple devices. Just ensure proper licensing. So grab your USB drive, 8 gigabytes or larger, a working computer, and an internet connection. Let's get started. First, head over to the official Microsoft website. You can search for Windows 11 installation tool and click on the first search result or copy the link in the video description. Once you're there, scroll down a little and under Create Windows 11 Installation Media, click Download Now. After the download finishes, double click on the file to run it. You might see a user account control prompt, just hit yes to let it do its thing. After it finishes loading, you'll be greeted with some legal mumbo jumbo. Click Accept, because let's be real, who actually reads these? Next, wait for it to load again and make sure the correct language in my case. English is selected. Click Next. Then you will be asked which media you want to use. In my case, I will use the USB flash drive option. Remember, it has to have a capacity of at least 8 gigabytes. Click Next. And now make sure to select the correct flash drive from the list. Once you've selected it, click Next. And it will now download the necessary files and create the bootable USB. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few minutes, so grab a coffee or a snack if you're feeling fancy. Once the process is complete, the tool will let you know. You're officially the proud owner of a Windows 11 installation USB. And there you have it, my friends. Your Windows 11 installation USB is ready to save the day. You are now officially a tech guru. Congratulations. Now go forth and install Windows 11 like a true IT wizard. And remember, if anyone asks, tell them your friendly Microsoft support agent taught you everything you know. Namaste, and see you in the next video.